Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos here in the Dungeon Studio, where I'm presenting to you the tools that I'm going to be using in the shop. Today we have this little sander here. It's a Makita. I didn't buy it new, so it's not an unboxing. I like because it comes with a collection bag. I found it from someone that only used it once or twice. You can see on it, there's no actual marks, just a little bit of dust on it. And Makita is usually making really good tools, and I like the form factor. I like the fact that it has these corners that I can use. And also, I got it because I have these sanding things, okay, that they usually go for walls, but it will be excellent for my epoxy work as well. Okay, this thing just goes on really well, and then you should be able to just snap it on. Give me a second. It takes a little bit of fiddling with it, because why not? Once you get it in there, you are golden. Okay, so these are not actually made for this tool, but we can make it fit. And once you did the bending and you have the shapes in place where they're supposed to be, probably I'm gonna have to pull it back a little bit to make this one cover the corners better. But it's okay for demonstration purposes for now. So you have these two little clamps, push back, down, up, and then forward to open this clamp, and then it bites on the sanding paper. I like it because it's this mesh that the dust can just go through and sucks it in, and it doesn't go everywhere. Okay, I can also use paper ones. Okay, these are actually made for a tool like this, but the mesh actually works better for epoxy, which is my cup of tea. Okay, let's plug it in. Now let's turn it on to see the sound, to hear the sound. It did leave a little bit of marks on the table, but there's no dust inside. Okay, a little bit of dust, but for the amount that I did there, it's not actually a lot of dust. Okay, yep, it's not coming off a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna be really happy with this tool, doing what it needs to do. And be careful with this one, because it, like you saw, it can fall off. Jam it in there really well. So that's about it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me on the next one. Thanks, and bye-bye.